Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel glaze for donuts. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin by melting the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add the brown sugar and stir constantly until it fully dissolves and the mixture is smooth. After the brown sugar has dissolved, bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Continue stirring for exactly 1 minute to ensure proper thickening. It's crucial not to overcook it, or the glaze might become too hard. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This cooling period is essential for the glaze to achieve its ideal consistency for dipping. Once your glaze has cooled slightly but is still warm, it's time to dip your freshly made donuts. Hold each donut by its edge and dip one side into the caramel glaze, ensuring an even coating. Lift the donut and allow any excess glaze to drip back into the pan. Place the glazed donuts on a wire rack set over parchment paper to catch any drips and let the glaze set completely. To store any leftover caramel glaze, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 5 days. If the glaze becomes too thick when chilled, you can gently reheat it in the microwave for 15-second intervals or in a saucepan over low heat until it reaches your desired consistency. Enjoy your delicious homemade caramel glazed donuts. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.